Hi all. Welcome to this second video briefing of the tvision Plus project. You all played the first round of the project, and the results of this period are in, so you can find all the results on the website. You will find there a balance sheet, an income statement, a ratio analysis, cash flow analysis, information on financing and liquid assets, production stock, demand and sales, selling price, and costs and brand recognition. So all these results, you will find them on the website. Don't worry if it's not what you hope for, because anything can still happen in this business game. So if you need more information or help, you can always tag me in MS Teams or send me an email. I'm always happy to help you. So I will give you some time to analyze these results, and in between, in this week, I will also give you some feedback via the chat. So you will find in your MS Teams channel some feedback on your own decisions. For now, I will close the first round of the game, and you will see that the second round of the game will open then. So I will just close the first round of the game, the first period. I will close it tonight at midnight in Central European time. And then tomorrow you will have all the results. And from tomorrow on, I will open the second round. So you can make decisions for the second round. So again, it's the same case at the Multimed market. You are with 7 teams playing in 2 markets. All information can be found on the website. And this is again the timeline with overview of deadlines. So this is the video briefing you will have today, 22 February. And next Tuesday, you need to hand in your round 2 and some other assignments. I will show them in this video. And then we will have a second video call. In the second video call, I will discuss with you the results of the game. So the results we will have in between in this day, I will discuss them with them in the second video call. The second video call will not be so long, so you just need half an hour in your agenda for this meeting, so that we can just have a short discussion of the results, and that you can also ask me some questions if needed. So that's for now. That's an overview of the timeline. The products in the market will stay the same, so you have the 4 types of smartphones. We still have the same target groups with the same size of the target groups. In the first round, it was that you will have a demand of 25,000, 30,000 each company. But now the interest in cell phones is growing fast in Multimed, so it's a real hype. And we expect that demand in round 2 will rise at least by 20 to 25%. So that's something interesting to know. So that's something that changes in the second round. You can still borrow from the bank, investment credit and overdraft. For the investment credit, that's limited. You will find this also in your decision form. The overdraft is unlimited. You will see that for the second round, the European Central Bank wants to improve the investment climate by lowering the interest rates. So you see that the interest rates you will find here on the slides are lower than in the first round. But don't forget that you need to pay back your credits. So don't forget to indicate which credit you already want to pay back and how much. The tax rate for the second round is 22%. We still have the production units, so at least 1 production unit is needed. Now you can make a decision about if it will be interesting to open a second production unit. And if you will open a second production unit and it will not be worth it in the next round, you can also sell a production unit. So maybe for now it's not a question because you only have one production unit. But if you want to open a new production unit, you need to know that you can always sell also the production unit. And if you sell a production unit, the net book value will be refunded. So that's the purchase price minus the depreciation. The company has also cost, insurance, overhead cost, maintenance, and repairs. So that's again the same as in the first round. For the production of the 4 models, you see we have the different required product components, but this still stays the same. And also the variable and fixed costs of the first round will exactly be the same. So you can have a look at your price strategy. Now for your price strategy, it will be important that you can look at your costs, what you have, but you can also look at the prices that competitors in your market are asking. The distribution channels also stay the same. So you can have a store, you need to have minimum 1 store, distribution points in hypermarkets, and a web shop. So you see that the initial investment in a web shop was 36,000 euro, but now you see that you only need to pay the maintenance and upgrade for 25,000. Staff and advertising also stay the same, and that's not new for you. This is the same as in round 1. But there is also something new, and that's that a new competitor will enter the market. So you was playing with 4 or 3 teams in your market, but in every market there will be a new competitor named Multimed. And Multimed is a great German multimedia empire, and they plan to bring multimedia devices, so cell phones, to the Mobiland market. According to insiders, it's the first serious action to conquer the multimedia market in Mobiland, and they would like to start with 2 stores and 6 distribution points in different cities of Mobiland. The coming months, they will also launch an extensive advertising campaign on TV, and they are entering the market as an additional player and are targeting a production and sales of 30,000 units. So this is something new, really worth to know and worth to take into account that there will be this new competitor. What you need to do now for workshop 2, you need to analyze the results you have after the first round. Some guiding questions are on the website, so you can have a look at the website, click on workshop 2, and you will find there some guiding questions to help you to analyze the results. You will make a budgeted balance sheet and income statement for the second period. There is a template again, so you can use the delivered template, and you will fill in the decision form for round 2. So I will close tonight the decision form for round 1. It means that you cannot change something in round 1 anymore. And then after 1 day, I will open the decision form for round 2. So I will give you some time to analyze the results. And then after 1 day, in Wednesday, I will make the decision form for round 2. Wednesday night, I will make it open. Please also keep your logbook up to date so that I know who was in charge of which task, and that I also know the contribution of each team member. Deadline, so next Tuesday again, it's the 1st of March. What I expect from you is an analysis of the first round. You can just write it down in some document. The budgeted balance sheets and income statement, so you will find the template on the website. You will also fill in the decision form for the second round, and you will keep your logbook up to date. And again, I expect that you just post all your documents in the MS Teams channel. And then on the 1st of March, we will see each other back in MS Teams. So for the second video call, I will still send you an invite for this meeting. And then during this meeting, we will discuss the results, and then maybe also a good moment to ask some questions. You can ask questions to me, but you can also ask questions to your competitors. So take this into account. At the 1st of March, we will see each other in the second video call, and we will discuss about the results. This is something you need to keep in your mind during the all of the game. At the end of the game, there will be two winning companies: the most healthy company, defined by the company health index, and the most convincing company during the presentation. I wish you good luck, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to contact me. You will find me in Teams, or you can reach me by email.